Stuller's new mountings catalog makes it easier than ever to find everything you need to create unique looks for your customers. Over 700 newly added jewelry, bridal, and findings items can be found on improved page layouts, providing a more intuitive shopping experience throughout the book. Enjoy enhanced navigation with new shape icons within each section, a call out to rhodium-plated pieces, as well as integrated semi-set pricing throughout. Items are also organized by product style and are shown in multiple metal colors and angles. Shop for solitaires, accented pieces, halo styles, and other items with ease. And, based on your feedback, we've reorganized the settings section by stone shape so you can provide a more seamless shopping experience for your customers. Reference URLs at the bottom of every page make it easy to find all styles in the catalog on Stuller.com for real-time pricing and quick ordering. Be on the lookout for your catalog in the mail or ask your sales representative for your copy today.